How to draw an isometric kitchen storage cabinets. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer and set it to drawing assist. Drawing a top of the cabinet now, and then the side. Create a new layer and draw a cabinet handle. You can draw just one size, and then you can duplicate it and move it to another size. After that, merge all the layers. Next, drawing a sink. For the faucets, I already created a faucet brush, so I don't need to draw it again. I just use the faucet brush from the brush library. It's done.